here's a made in Japan snare drum from the 1960s. And it's got this beautiful blue onyx finish, like the Rogers Blue Onyx, but it's pretty dirty and grody, as is the chrome. Now, this belongs to a woman whose husband died some 18 years ago, and she's getting it fixed up for a Christmas present for, I think, one of the grandkids, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, we're going to clean this baby up, and I'm just doing a little quick before and after. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but it's missing the snare throw arm. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make something for that or not. We might just be stuck with this being a flip on, flip off, or permanently on, you know, and just tension it by that. There's no, if I make a threaded arm, there's like no threading hardly in that. We'll see. I don't know. She wants to keep this kind of in the budget price too, so let's see what it looks like when we're done.